Hello and welcome. This is Valeria with another passage from the Fit for Joy book. A simple practice of joy. There's a simple practice we can engage in to cultivate peace and harmony in our lives. And that is to give up hope and replace it with the inspiration that comes from a beating heart. The heart pulses 100% now in order to keep us alive. It's a great inspiration on how to live. And so, if we stop waiting to be happy when something happens in the future and instead fully embrace with joy this very moment for what we are doing, then what we are doing now becomes already the realization of what we want in the future. And if we are not doing now what we're supposed to be doing for a happy future, what is hope good for? Thank you for your interest in a healthy way of living. If this message resonated with you, please subscribe to our channel, share on Facebook, and if you have any questions, please contact us at info@fitforjoy.org. This is Valeria wishing you joy and much love. This is Valeria. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share on Facebook, subscribe to our channel. Also, visit us at fitforjoy.org. Thank you so much.